Hi guys, and welcome to the Spain Gibraltar channel. I'm here on location on the Spain side, overlooking the Rock of Gibraltar right behind me. And over in the distance, you can see the ship sinking, the bulk carrier OS-35 that had an accident in the bay 7 days ago where it bumped into another ship. The other ship sustained some minor damage. However, this one got a hole or a crack in its hull. The Bay of Gibraltar said go over out to the Mediterranean, out to this side of the sea, where it came and sat and eventually beached itself, so it started sinking, and that's where we ended up with the oil spill and the fuel spill. Now remember, these ships are full of all sorts of mechanisms, so there's a lot of hydraulic fluid, a lot of engine oil, a lot of other petroleum-based fuel sources that the ship uses to move around the sea. So in this case, they've set up booms all around the ship to try to contain all that fuel and all that oil from getting out. So far, it seems that it has spread out. I've seen pictures of it spread out. However, they are getting it contained, and they're starting to move this to a less of an emergency because they do have it under control. However, it is really interesting to see a ship that big right off the coast of where I live here in Spain and Gibraltar, sinking like it is. And as we can see when we zoom in here, the front part is just way down in the water. I don't know what the action plan is to get the ship out of there or how long it will be there, but you can see other ships around me here in the sea. There's the Spanish military, the British military, the Gibraltarian military. So everybody's here kind of watching to see what the next steps are. So let's go ahead and zoom in on the OS-35, the bulk carrier that is sinking off the coast of Gibraltar as of September 6th, 2022. Thanks for watching the Spain Gibraltar channel. Let's go ahead and zoom in.